Welcome to the next episode of the Dark Web Deacon. In America, citizens are raised on a sacred promise: innocent until proven guilty. Not innocent until suspected. Not innocent until inconvenienced. Proven in court, with evidence. But today, there's a new doctrine quietly spreading, one that doesn't need proof. It only needs a prediction. Here's the pivot nobody voted on. Our systems are being redesigned to treat people like risk scores. Not citizens, not defendants, not even suspects, just probabilities. And once you live in a world of probabilities, the logic changes. The question stops being, what did you do? And becomes, what might you do? That sounds like sci-fi, but it's already a mindset in modern surveillance, because the data economy is built on watching you. Security technologist Bruce Schneier put it bluntly, surveillance is the business model of the internet. If surveillance is the business model, prediction is the product. And when prediction moves from ads into government, into policing, borders, benefits, bail, something ancient breaks. A core part of presumption of innocence is that the state must justify its power with proof. But predictive systems flip that burden. Now you're proving you're safe, proving you're not suspicious, proving you're not high risk. And scholars have warned where that road goes. In a paper on AI and policing, legal researcher Kelly Blount argues that the presumption of innocence may be effectively nullified by predictive policing. Nullified, not weakened, not stressed. Nullified, because when police or agencies act on profiles, who you know, where you live, what your data resembles, action can happen before any crime, any charge, any trial. That's not just a tech issue. That's a constitutional shift. And the most controversial part is the raw material doesn't come from wiretaps. It comes from daily life. Phones, apps, purchases, clicks, location pings. Behavioral data becomes behavioral prediction, and behavioral prediction becomes justification for intervention. Not because you're guilty, but because you're close enough to guilty in the model. In a predictive society, the danger isn't just being watched. It's being treated as a future suspect, a future threat. A threat to whom? Well, just open your eyes. Egomaniacal authoritarians both at home and abroad want the archetype of the American maverick, the American cowboy, individualism to go extinct. And once the system we are heading toward decides you're risky, innocent until proven guilty becomes something darker. Innocent until predicted guilty or flagged as a threat to the new world order. And someone who resists and won't be one of the sheeple. Dark Web Deacon, out. If you appreciate this channel's content and are looking for ways to support it, definitely check out the Dark Web Deacon merch store. We have high-quality t-shirts, mugs, mouse pads, and of course, signature hoodies.